Happy birthday, my dear friend. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Louder, guys. Happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Another one. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday, Archie. Let us all give Archie, Mommy, and Daddy a big round of applause. Name, how old are you now? 5 years old. You're Filipino? Yes. What will you say to RJ, our birthday girl? Okay, already now, huh? What are the 7 Emirates of UAE? Answer this trivia question. Of course, if you answer this trivia question, I'll give you some present, okay? The 7 Emirates of UAE are, your number 1 is? Louder! Number 1, what else? Wow! Dubai, Abu Dhabi, what else? There's one. After si California. Are you with RJ again? Come on. You know the answer, right? You know the answer? You know the answer? What's the highest or tallest building in Malaysia? How old are you now? 5 years old, okay? So, you're already 5 years old and the next question. What is the highest or tallest building in UAE? Your answer is? Burj Khalifa! Yay! Very good! Sit down there. Who else? Let's put more. Can you hold it for me? Okay, hold it first, and let's put more. Okay, the additional cups. First, the main 2-point winner, right? And the winners will receive something from RJ, the birthday girl. Alright, very good. And all you have to do is, if I say, ready, get set, go, you have to pick up this cup as many as you can, alright? Of course, and after that, I need to make a count from. Put it together now! Alright, as fast as you can! Hurry up, 10, 9, 8, 4, 7. Boys team, girls team. Boys team, put it together now. Girls team, come on. Put it together now, girls team. And let's see who's the winner. Okay. Very good, boys team. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's compare it na, ha? Okay, this one, from RJ's team. to see who's the lucky winner, who's the team winner, okay? Kumusta? Congressman, come here. Here we go now. Let's see who's the winner. Let me see your cups. Are they? Are they? Alright, so very good. Give it to me now. Can I borrow this one first? Look at your partner. Come on. Look at your partner. Shake your hips. Shake your hips. Holding hands. Another one. Shake your hips. Alright, that's green light. One more. And red light. Stop. Don't move. Stay where you are. And then let's touch you. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have your present a while ago. So don't worry. Very good, very good. And stop. What is your name? Alright, come here, sweetie. What do we sit down first? Come here, let's get for them. Yay! Come on, Victor. Alright, sit down here, sit down. Don't worry lang. Sit down! Come here. Alright. Don't worry. This way. Hey, this way. Slowly. You are not going.
Bakit?
Okay, let's move and find a number.
Huwag na nakabukas sa ipapuna sa amin. Nauuna pa sana na.
Please sit down first. One photo, please sit down. Alright, and of course, yeah, hey, sit down there, sit down. Very good. Okay, so how many kids got now? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Please stand up. Now, let's remove another chairs. Wait. These two. Alright. So, here we go now. Oh, swim like a fish. Slowly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Alright, there's one more. What's your name? Lara. Put your hands together for Lara. Lara, how old are you now? 4 years old. Now say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday. Lara, please sit down here first, Lara. Yay! Then who's up here? Hey, what happened here? Okay, I'll give you another chance. Please stand up. Now! Because what happened here, I need to remove 3 chairs now. Rapid. Ready, get set, go. 10, 9. Slowly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Very good. Don't worry. So is this your mommy? Okay, very good. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chairs and 8 kids. Please go up. And like that. 10, 9, 8. Slowly. 7, 6, 5, 4. No, not yet. 3. No pushing. And go! Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit down there, sit down. Sit down. Alright, don't worry, kids. Once again, later on, all of you will get something. Okay, we have a lot of kilos right here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give them the big chance, okay? Please stand up now. Come on, up. And move, let's go. This way. That way. Slowly. If the music stops, you have to sit down. Trevor, how old are you now? And? Oh, come on, Trevor, come here, Trevor. How old are you now? Sit down! Clap your hands together for Trevor. Don't worry, buddy. You have your personal manager, so let's give them a big chance, okay? So, Trevor, and a message for RJ. What's your message to her? Thank you so much, Trevor. Please sit down first. Go, move, wave your hands and shake your hands. Come on, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I saw you. Come here. What can I say for her? Sit down. Last one. Last and final round. Okay. Yes. We have a winner. Wow. RJ. Ayan. Kanina may medyo ulit eh. Come on down here. Photo together with RJ. Figure picture. Ready. Get set. Smile. And a message for your friend, our classmate RJ. What is your message to her? Louder.
I wish you
Happy New Year! Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, please sit down there now. Sit down. As long as you can, huh? Ready? Get set up.
Happy birthday,
RJ, you say happy birthday. Okay, as long as you can. Ready? You try. Happy birthday. Ready? Get set, go. Happy once again for RJ. Alright. How old are you now again? 5 years old. Message to mommy and daddy naman. Don't worry, she will send it via email. Okay? Very good, kids. Very good. Okay, so it's time to get. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Another one. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday, RJ. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All together now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Let's all go to five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go together. And guys, the birthday party of RJ will not be complete if there's no message for your princess RJ. Let's start with mommy first. Mommy, message for her. And attention everyone, we need to listen to mommy now because you know why? The mommy of RJ right now, she's very much emotional. So please, mommy, don't cry.
Thank you for lahat ng If you want be polite and don't be rude, please. Be polite po. Thank you so much.
Come on, mommy! Daddy, come on! Daddy! 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 And guys, I believe that Daddy of RJ, I believe that he is much more emotional than let's listen to Daddy now.
Thank you sa lahat malon. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. And of course, my birthday wish for RJ is more birthdays to come, more goodness of love, more cake to slice, and more crumbs to provide. Sana RJ, ikaw ay maging isang bagay mabait, may tamad sa Diyos, may tamad sa iyong mga magulang, ngayon, bukas, at at this moment, our buffet table is now. All you have to do, I say, ready, get set, go. I want you to wait. Now, guys, you want to put it up on that. Wait here. 1, 2, 3, up. Wait, that very one. Ready, say, abracadabra. Get set. Wow, Maggie!
Hindi sa kanya napunta.
Happy birthday, RJ. Come on, love it. Happy birthday, RJ. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you so much. Let us give our birthday girl, RJ, mommy and daddy, a big round of applause. RJ, message to your friends and classmates. What is your message to them? Come on.